The Managing Director of the Nigerian Education Loan Fund, Mr. Akintunde Sawyerr, has restated the commitment of the fund in providing inclusive access to loans by all students who gain admission through the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board (JAMB). Sawyerr gave the assurance in Abuja at a stakeholders engagement session and technical workshop on the fund system automation and loan application processes. The clarification is in view of concerns raised by the stakeholders from technical institutions over their inability to access the loan within the timelines of their students' academic programs. Sawyerr, who acknowledged the initial challenges, said the fund is working to close the gaps and ensure that technical students access the loan as and when due.
Yes, we want to improve what we have already, but we're going to do this every so often so that as we discover new things, new technology, new opportunities, new challenges, new problems, we can address everything in one go.
The Nelfund boss also said the fund has recorded approximately 570,000 registrations with over 515,000 applicants completing the process.
And those are the ones that reach us, reach our evaluation team, and we begin to evaluate. So I think safe to say that over 500,000 people have engaged in this in 11.5 months, and we're getting about 1,800 applications every single day.
In a presentation, the Fund Executive Director Operations, Mr. Mustafa, urged higher institutions in the country to patronize data accuracy, timely verification, and effective communication with students.
Those are the numbers of students that started this application, but they were not able to complete. It's either maybe because of data. We want to plead with you as an institution. We need you to help us with more sensitization. You are not only helping us, you are helping the students. Instead of them dropping out, let them see another opportunity for them to move forward.
The workshop, which brought together representatives from polytechnics, monotechnics, and technical institutes, focus on automation of Nelfund loan application and processing systems. CNN News.